Welcome to the Epoint post tutorials. Today, I am going to share how our total discount function works. Total discount is to specify one discount for the entire bill, such like offer, promotion or voucher discount. How to get here? You may refer back my previous tutorial. Let's get started. Hit the Manager function button. Hit the Discount button. Hit the Total Dine-in button. Key in the remark reason. Total discount in percentage or net amount is the same method. It is done. End of day at X and Z report is capture under this section. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.